Thad with Willoway Nurseries. We're here first week in March. This is a typical time for us where we look at starting to take plastic off houses and open them up for various reasons. Behind me here we have Japanese maples. It's really critical we open these houses up because the plastic, when it's on, heats the house up higher than what the outside temperatures are, and they actually will push out and open bud early. Japanese maples do not take frost very well. Couple unique things we're doing. As you can see, the plastic is bunched on the sides. What we're calling a three-side pull here at Willoway, where we take the lath off the two short ends of the house and the far side, and then we bring it down. That way, when we do a three-side pull, we can pull the plastic back over and lath it back on again. There's also a three-side cut. That's where we cut the three sides. You can probably pull it over one time, maybe two, and get it back. We'll probably pull over on these Japanese maples probably like 4 to 5 times this spring still. So we're really trying to keep them as seasonally dormant as possible right now. But once they start to emerge where the leaf starts to show like it starts to open up a little bit, if they hit a frost at that point, you'll get major branch dieback in them. And it's a real problem with Japanese maples. So really make sure they don't get going too early. On the converse side, you have Thuja Green Giant here. These we want to open up. As the ground thaws out in the pots, they'll be able to take water. Really critical this time of year on our evergreens, as soon as the ground thaws out, that you're getting moisture to them. Why that's important is you'll get a lot of winter burn this time of year. It starts to show up in March. When the ground is frozen, the roots are frozen, but they're losing moisture through the foliage. And so once it thaws out, we want to get as much moisture there as possible. So we're going to try to take advantage. You can see today it's overcast. We're supposed to be getting some rains come in. That will help to thaw out the soil and actually take some moisture up. So we reduce the winter burn on any evergreens. Hi, it's Thad with Willoway Nurseries here in Avon, Ohio. We're in one of our growing ranges, 3B. This is a follow-up to our canning we started. This range, you can see we get a lot of plants in here. We have booms. Almost all bare root perennials in here for the most part. We have some lily bulbs as well. We're bringing the temperature up in here. This is for spring finish. We start real early here. Canning is all in February. Carries into March basically. We really start to ramp up March, April with our perennial canning. So, which as you can see, we've got like right next to me, we got rhubarb, we got coreopsis, and with the booms that we can adjust the water as needed in here. We also have the risers here that we can also supplement with more of a heavier watering once they get a little older. But yeah, spring is coming for us. We're real busy. We're canning 6 days a week here at Willoway right now, and yeah, get your orders in. We'll have lots of plants available. As you can see, the boom's coming over. We've got it. It's an equal height basically. And a nice fan spray. We can zone it out. This particular one is Cherry Creek booms. We have GTI as well. One of the advantages is we can mark out by feet where we want to stop different crops. So we can change knot water, how many passes that we go over the plants with, and then we get a more precise water. A lot of these plants we're not looking at right now because they are new canning and bare root. We use a lighter water on them because we don't want them to stay too wet for too long. We just want to keep them moist, medium moist, not wet. Otherwise the bottom starts to kind of rot out, and then we're fighting a lot of diseases with root rots and things like that, and crown rots. So we're really looking right now in the beginning stages just to keep things moist. Hi, it's Thad at Willoway Nurseries here in Avon, Ohio. We're in the first week of March. We've got our cad lavender. We've got several varieties, Phenomenal, Sensational, Grosso, and a few others that we grow. You can see what this is coming up. This will be our early spring crop. We can this up in February. It's about an 8-week finish on it. We really need the sun. Day length is important in lavender. But these will get a trim here. They're kind of getting up to that size right now where we'll give them a little trim here to cure it while it breaks low, make them can't pull.